and preservation of stem cells from adipose tissue following liposuction. The company has developed a model laboratory for gene analysis. In cooperation with the Gendia International Network, the laboratory can reliably provide more than 2,000 genetic analyses.
All of us working at Biohellenika, at this company providing unique and creative scientific services, are committed to remain human, protect clients' privacy, and never betray the confidence shown to us by our clients and associates. We daily explore the limits of modern biotechnology and always operate in compliance with medical ethics. We aim at the benefit of the Greek population. We aim at the benefit of all of us. Stem cells mean prevention. Prevention means life. Welcome to the world of Biohellenika. The unique moments of welcoming a new member to every family always remain indelible in our memories. Who does the baby take after? Will it be healthy? The first clothes, the baby basket, and loads of love. Everything a baby needs. How many of us, though, are aware of the fact that every birth also presents a unique opportunity, a precious gift? The umbilical cord, blood, and the placenta are high-quality sources of multipotent cells. These primary cells are called stem cells, and they are invaluable in their therapeutic properties. Every child is endowed with a stock of stem cells that may be used to protect the child's health or to improve its life quality or expectancy. The birth of your child offers you a unique, once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to preserve this precious material. Do not deprive your child of this chance.
Welcome to Biohellenika. Biohellenika was founded with the aspiration of becoming a major biotechnology company in our country and Europe. It aims at offering innovative products in the sector of biomedical technology. The main service currently provided by Biohellenika is collecting and storing stem cells from umbilical cord blood. Today, these cells may be used for the same applications as bone marrow. For example, they are used to treat various forms of cancer and immune system diseases.
Research into umbilical cord stem cells started in the 1970s, and the first therapeutic treatment appeared in 1988. Today, it is well known that umbilical cord stem cells may be transformed into any type of human body cell.
According to scientific discoveries, the precious population of undifferentiated stem cells may be used to treat more than 80 diseases. Among them are numerous hematological and rheumatic conditions, while recently, autologous cells, i.e. the cells of the patients themselves, have been successfully tested for the treatment of infarcts, stroke, paraplegia, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's disease, as well as diabetes type 1.
Harvesting stem cells from the umbilical cord is a simple and painless procedure. It its window of opportunity is short-termed. The procedure has no impact on the health of the mother or the fetus.
In Greece, until recently, this precious material was preserved by international companies, acting through their representatives, so that it could be used in the future by the child or its family. Biohellenika was founded in 2006 and has been operating in the city of Thessaloniki. Since its foundation, Biohellenika has been the leading stem cell preservation bank in our country and has offered Greek parents the possibility of selecting the services of a reliable Greek company. Biohellenika is the first stem cell bank that has undertaken the full procedure of isolating and cryopreserving stem cells from beginning to end within our country, at the company's laboratories. Biohellenika was founded in March 2006. Its vision was to be the leading Greek company in the sector of biotechnology. It has been operating under the supervision and responsibility of university laboratory physicians with 20 years of experience in cell line cryopreservation. The president and CEO of the company is Dr. Koliakos. The president of the scientific board of the company is Dr. Kokona Kouzi-Koliakou. The scientific team of Biohellenika includes physicians who are professors at Aristotle University of Thessaloniki and scientists with excellent postgraduate studies and academic qualifications. The scientific team is supported by administration executives, a team of laboratory technologists, and the multi-member team of staff members who inform and look after parents. There is a well-organized team of 58 persons who never stop working hard to ensure your full satisfaction.
From the very first months of its operation, Biohellenika received its ISO 9001 certification from Lloyd's for the procedure of separation, quality control and cryopreservation of autologous umbilical cord stem cells. Its ISO 9001 certification was extended to include processing, quality control and cryopreservation of dental pulp stem cells.
Today, Biohellenika's laboratories are accredited by the National Accreditation System, ESYD,
for the quality controls according to the ISO 15189, and also the clean rooms are qualified according to DIN EN ISO 14644.
Biohellenika is seated in Thessaloniki at its own premises, deployed over a total area of 2,000 square meters at Zeta building. The company also has offices for informing its clientele in Thessaloniki city centre, Larissa, Patras, Heraklion and Ioannina. In Athens, there is Biohellenika Southern Greece, with offices at Athens Tower, which serves the whole of southern Greece and the Aegean Islands. Currently, Biohellenika has 9 complete laboratories, clean rooms, for the separation and cryopreservation of umbilical cord stem cells. All laboratories are fully equipped. They operate independently and they are daily controlled in compliance with European Union directives. The central laboratories, of a total area of 2,000 square meters, are situated in Thessaloniki, where the seat of the company is. Athens laboratories, of a total area of 800 square meters, have 3 fully equipped clean rooms.
Biohellenika laboratories are supported by electricity generators, current stabilizers, a telesurveillance system and 24-hour recording capacity, as well as a system for the automatic uptake of liquid nitrogen. Biohellenika quality control laboratories undertake all necessary cytological examinations and recommended viral and bacteria checks of samples. The laboratories are fully equipped with modern clinical counters and analyzers and operate in compliance with approved clinical protocols. Biohellenika laboratories operate independently 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, and safeguard excellent conditions for preserving stem cells.
Biohellenika scientific team cooperates with the scientific team of the Institute of Biology and Biotechnology at the National Research Institute.
The National Research Institute has a long tradition in the field of research. In its effort to support investigation into matters concerning stem cells, it has entered into partnership with Biohellenika. The company they created is called TAC-EIE, Stem Cell Bank of the National Research Institute. Stem cells are multipotent cellular systems with amazing future prospects.
The scientific team at Biohellenika also cooperates with the scientific team of Molecular Targeting Network of the Research Committee at Aristotle University of Thessaloniki, as well as other research teams at universities in Greece and abroad.
In Thessaloniki, the company is exclusively cooperating with Genesis, private maternity clinic, and offers parents the care and storage service.
Genesis Clinic, where 1/3 of all deliveries in Thessaloniki and its broader region take place, has chosen to participate in the provision of the service of preserving umbilical cord blood placental stem cells through its strategic cooperation with Biohellenika. In our view, Biohellenika has a high level of know-how, an excellent scientific staff team, and the necessary organisation. Furthermore, preserving stem cells within the clinic provides greater security and safety for stakeholders and the best possible solution for parents. Biohellenika keeps up with the international developments in the field of research concerning umbilical cord stem cells. It aims at expanding its potential so as to provide its services daily. In the past year, the scientific team of Biohellenika has received awards in the context of the National Medical Conference, the Medical Conference of Northern Greece, and the National Transplant Conference. Additionally, 3 of its papers have been published in international scientific journals, while a 4th one is currently being reviewed.
Biohellenika was founded in order to provide reliable biotechnology services within our country, so as to improve the quality of citizens' life and to prevent diseases. The initial service provided in this field includes processing, quality control, and cryopreservation of autologous cellular grafts harvested at birth from the umbilical cord blood. The staff members at Biohellenika are at your disposal so as to provide you with all necessary information about company services and possible future applications of stem cells. Parents receive the kit for harvesting their baby's umbilical cord blood and the necessary documents accompanying it from Biohellenika offices. The harvest bag observes the strictest international specifications to protect sample quality during its transport. Stem cells are harvested once, immediately after natural delivery or caesarean section, following consultation to this effect with the couple's obstetrician. Following the completion of the umbilical placental blood harvesting procedure, the harvesting bag is dispatched to Biohellenika laboratories.
Biohellenika counts the number of stem cells at 2 different points in time. Firstly, upon arrival of the harvesting bag at laboratories, and secondly, before any work for cell separation is undertaken.
Then the separation of stem cells takes place. The company undertakes the necessary viral check of the umbilical cord blood using the PCR method, which directly detects the presence of hepatitis B, C, and HIV viruses, and bacterial check, using 2 systems certified for clinical use to investigate into any possible contamination of samples with aerobic or anaerobic germs and fungi.
Finally, a double procedure for the separation of the sample is undertaken. Almost all red blood cells are removed, and the final small volume thus achieved is cryopreserved to ensure high viability and retrieval rates. This procedure warrants the possibility that harvested stem cells may also be safely used by other family members. This is the point in time when stem cells are counted for the second time. Then the cryopreservation procedure follows by gradually freezing stem cells before placing them in liquid nitrogen. Storage of stem cells is performed in specially numbered cryophiles below the liquid nitrogen surface at a steady temperature of -196 degrees Celsius under conditions of absolute safety and security. The initial period of preservation is 20 years and it is possible to renew it upon the child's coming of age. Biohellenika, just like all major similar banks internationally, stores stem cells at two locations. One is the company labs in Thessaloniki and the other, the National Research Institute in Athens.
Every phase of the whole procedure is undertaken exclusively by specialized personnel, observing internationally recognized protocols and guidelines. Biohellenika, following the Broxmeyer and Yang protocols, created its improved patented method. This was published in Cytotherapy in 2007. Following successful cryopreservation, parents receive a medical report on the results of quality control, which is personally signed by the liable company physician.
Today, Biohellenika can cryopreserve additional stem cells from the placenta drainage, the Wharton jelly, the pulp of deciduous teeth, and adipose tissue.
Biohellenika keeps up with all latest developments in the field of biotechnology and offers a new service aiming at giving a second chance to children who did not have their stem cells preserved when they were born, or whose stem cells were considered unsuitable for preservation or have already been used. This is a service for storing stem cells harvested from the pulp of children's deciduous teeth, as well as third molars or wisdom teeth. The use of children's deciduous teeth serves the processing and cryopreservation of stem cells from the teeth pulp when the child is between the ages of 6 and 13 years, i.e., during the teeth natural exfoliation period. Today, it is generally accepted that due to their nature and properties, stem cells from milk teeth may have clinical applications in the immediate future that are quite similar to those for stem cells from the umbilical cord blood. This service may also be provided to adults who wish to store their wisdom teeth or third molars for cryopreserving their own
stem cells.
Deciduous teeth are harvested by dentists, placed in a storage kit that parents have received from our company, and are directly transferred to Biohellenika laboratories, where isolation, processing, and cryopreservation of stem cells takes place.
Biohellenika, in cooperation with Cytotherapy, an American company, offers the isolation and preservation of stem cells from adipose tissue following liposuction. The company has developed a model laboratory for gene analysis. In cooperation with the Gendia International Network, the laboratory can reliably provide more than 2,000 genetic analyses.